The LS-H-1 4th NPT, 3K or 5K, hydraulic pressure sensor. The LS-H-1 4th NPT, 3K or 5K, commonly referred to as the hydraulic pressure sensor, is to be installed on the hydraulic systems of plastic injection molding machines, in order to provide injection pressure data, and back pressure data, to RJG's CoPilot system. When installed on the correct port, other hydraulic movements such as clamp, or core pull movements, should not be captured, as that input can skew the data received by the CoPilot. The hydraulic pressure sensor provides a 1/4 inch BSPT male adapter to a 1/4 inch NPT female fitting for installation on the hydraulic system of the injection molding machine. This hydraulic pressure sensor is commonly mounted to the injection cylinder of an injection molding machine or on a port of the hydraulic manifold. When working properly, the injection pressure curve on the CoPilot system should look similar to this. Thank you for watching this video regarding the installation and use of the LS-H-1 4th NPT, 3K or 5K, hydraulic pressure sensor. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual, or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com, or by calling 1-800-472-0566.